Hi there, sixth graders. I'm just going to give you a little overview of what I saw when I was grading a lot of your formative assessments for identifying themes. So this was when I asked you to read The Last Stop on Market Street or listen to that man reading it and then type what you thought the theme was. There were two trends that I noticed. First of all, when you are identifying a theme, themes are lessons. So they are phrases that can apply to all people. It's things that we're supposed to learn from the story. A lot of times it's the lesson that the main character learned. The second thing, this is a big one for many of you, even if I gave you 2 out of 2. They are usually stated as a command. Not always, but I'll show you a little bit about what I mean by that. So, for example, I would not, well, actually, I'll just click to the next slide and show you. So, we're going to take these 5 statements and we're going to sort them as they're either theme or they're not theme. So right now they're all just kind of jumbled up. But the boy who, sorry, the boy who cried wolf was a liar. This would be not a theme because it's not a lesson that can apply to all of us. And it's not stated as a command. Never give up. This would be a theme because it is stated as a command. It's also the main focus of our entire unit. Remember, never give up in finding courage. Be grateful for what you have. That is a command. So it's not, a theme is not saying the grandma was grateful for all she had. It has to be a command that you can tell to somebody else. So if you see somebody being ungrateful, you would say, be grateful for what you have. And that is commanding them to be grateful. So it would be a theme. The tortoise and the hare race against each other. Not theme. It's just a detail from the story. Or slow and steady wins the race. That would be a theme. It's not a command, but it is still a lesson that applies to all people. So that's what I'm talking about, how 2 out of the 3 of these were commands, but sometimes you'll find one that is not. All right. So today we're going to continue working on those theme mastery paths. Just a reminder to check the champ's expectations and to work like crazy because this is a huge amount of responsibility that I'm giving to you all. And last quarter when we did this, you did very, very well with it. So I'm expecting more of that today and in the next few days to come as well.